Hey, real life traders from all over the world. It's your boy, Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. Got my man voice on this morning. Market hasn't opened yet. It's 7:23 my time, so we got about another hour before the market opens. And so far, it's looking to be a beautiful day here in Nashville. So let's talk a little bit about the market. Now, keep in mind, everything I'm talking about is subject to change due to volatility. I'm not entirely sure, but let's look at the market and see what we got planned for today. So, here's the SPY. We're down a little bit right now pre-market, not a lot, 80 cents or so. And as of yesterday, got myself into a 201-200 bull put spread, which is a credit spread. So I sold the 201 put and bought the 200 put. And realistically, my expectation is that it stays above 201 by April 15th, which I think is the third Friday of April. So not next Friday, but the Friday afterwards. So my anticipation is that this is a retest gap. Bullish candle, gapping up. And in the last 2 days, we are and have been retesting. I mentioned I was very confident that gap would fill, and it is as of right now. So it looks like it's going to fill, and probably within the next, sometime later today or maybe sometime next week, I'm anticipating a little bit of a bounce potentially. Here's your exponential moving averages on the SPY. Exponential moving averages looking something like this. Your 10 EMA is at 204, and notice we actually haven't come in contact with the 20 EMA yet. 20 EMA is at 202.24 right now. So my thought process is we'll likely get something like this. Boom, 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 where the 20 comes in, right? Bounce off the 20, and we trade up into this trend line into May. And then from there, it's going to be kind of a little bit of a question mark. So overall, I think we do go a tad bit higher on the SPY into the year. I did have a bearish trade on it and lost on SPY. But I'm thinking May, June, we make our way into about 212, 213 is definitely a possibility. And at that location, again, I'll be going into a lot of cash positions. Again, because on the market right now, I'm very neutral. Buy low, sell high, buy low. So that's going to be a very, very strong resistance on the SPY. Let's talk about Tesla right now and kind of give you guys my experience and my analysis on Tesla. So Tesla, as of this exact moment in time, is up a lot. So we're capping up 18 points. As of yesterday, I wanted to get into a 205-200 April bull put spread, which is again another credit spread, selling the put down here and buying this put, but that's going to not be worth any money at open. This is going to definitely be interesting. So I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that one. And I wanted to buy the bounce at 207.81. I got very, very close to getting that filled on this day, which was the 24th of March, but we just didn't quite make it down there. So we definitely retraced and bounced, and we are bouncing, but just didn't get a chance to get in personally. So Tesla, as far as what to do on Tesla, here's what I'm thinking. And it is a V-bottom. Certified, verified, bona fide V-bottom on Tesla. So the V-bottom chart pattern just took off. Here's your first quick retracement. And then here's really the second pullback where, again, I want to buy that dip, but just didn't quite make it to my pullback location. So what's going to happen this morning? Well, Tesla has a very, very strong resistance right here at about 238. Right now it's opening at about 248. This is a pretty strong gap, honestly. And I do anticipate a little bit of selling in the morning on Tesla. So again, it's probably going to open approximately here. I'm anticipating a little bit of a sell-off, but then probably a bullish thrust a little bit higher. And I don't know exactly how high we go today, but if I had to guess, we probably will get a candle that looks a little bit like we had yesterday, maybe with a little bit bigger of a white body. That's what I'm expecting. But in the morning trading room, which starts in about 30 minutes, I will be looking to place some bullish trades on Tesla. So just something to keep your eyes on. Another gap that's moving right now, BlackBerry. BlackBerry is gapping down. This is one of my stocks that I'm always bearish on. If you get a chance, you can hop over to reallifetrading.com and hop over here to articles, and you'll notice here's one of my most recent articles, 9 companies I'm always bearish on, and it does focus in on BlackBerry. So BlackBerry, what I want it to do is I want it to open below this price right here, which is about 744. We're getting very close. So the low of this candle precisely is 743. An open below 743 this morning, and I'm going to be looking to short the heck out of some BlackBerry shares, and maybe trade all the way down to 650 as a swing trade or a day trade. It'll be interesting to see exactly if and how that plays out. Of course, we're going to look at Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Apple right now, short term does look bullish. This is a bullish retest gap, right? White candle, bullish candle gapping up. So slightly anticipating a little bit of a pullback and a bounce on Apple into the 200 simple moving average, which is that red line. That's kind of my anticipation on Apple. Here's GILD, a swing trade that we're in. And as of right now, so you guys can have an idea, I posted this note on Wednesday. So if GILD does not close within a nice bullish candle in the next 4 days, I'm going to just go ahead and exit this swing trade position. It's a bullish swing trade position, and it was a Bollinger Band squeeze breakout, and right now it's just not cooperating. It's not really doing what I want it to do or what I asked it to do, or it's really not doing anything exciting. So I'm probably going to exit that if we don't get a bullish candle very soon. Shopify looks okay. Not really doing anything pre-market, just down just a little bit, so hanging out on that one. And then Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY. As of yesterday, got almost a tweezer top. Well, actually, I'm sorry. Technically, we do. It's not a textbook tweezer top. The highs are the exact same, which is the good news on Eli Lilly. So I will be taking this stop down a little bit on ticker symbol LLY. It's not a tweezer top because the candles aren't the correct color. It should be a white candle followed by a black candle. But I do like the fact that you have two similar sized candles on Eli Lilly. It had the exact same high and almost the exact same low. So I'm expecting a little bit of a pennant pattern triangle to break out in one direction or another on ticker symbol LLY very soon. If it breaks bearish, I'll be pretty happy because I'm in that bearish on ticker symbol LLY. And last but not least for today, here is gold. I wonder where the gold's at. Show me the gold. Ticker symbol GLD. There was a beautiful bracket trade on those three candles right there. And it was like, hey, whatever direction it breaks out of, let's go. It had a nice little bullish gap and go on the 29th of March when that little Fed meeting thing came out. So right now, gold is just forming some higher lows and some lower highs. So we are in a consolidation pattern on gold, expecting this to occur. And again, either a breakout, bullish or bearish. I don't know exactly which one's going to happen, but my thought is it's going to break bearish, just mostly because of the dollar index. Here's the DXY. Dollar index, here's my plan on it. The US dollar, for those of you who trade Forex or currencies, looking to buy low, sell high. So if the dollar can pull into this 93 price range on the US dollar index, which is an index that compares US dollar to other currencies, I would like to buy it. And if we trade down to there and bounce, I'm anticipating equities could take a little bit of a dip, but gold and oil probably will go a little bit lower along with silver. That's just my anticipation anyway, and it would make sense if that happens. So we'll continue to see. But anyway, thanks so much for watching this morning real-life stock review. Enjoy your upcoming weekend. I've definitely got some exciting plans, and you'll be getting some more videos from me in the next few days. You can count on that. I'll be back Monday for your next free real-life stock review. And until then, traders, remember, love life, live life, and trade it.